Gordon Ramsay, the world-renowned chef and television personality, is known for his fiery personality in the kitchen and his passion for exquisite cuisine. However, when he's not whipping up delectable dishes, Ramsay also showcases a keen interest in luxury and high-performance cars. Over the years, he has amassed a noteworthy car collection that reflects his taste for fine craftsmanship, precision engineering, and the pursuit of excellence on and off the road. In this video, we delve into the diverse car collection of Gordon Ramsay. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. 2018 Bentley Continental GT. Gordon Ramsay owns the luxury Grand Tourer Bentley Continental GT. The Bentley owned by Gordon Ramsay is a second-generation model that was introduced in 2018. The exterior of Gordon Ramsay's Bentley Continental GT is finished in a sleek black color, which is complemented by a luxurious and stylish tan leather interior. The Bentley Continental GT features a twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter that produces 626 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and reach a top speed of 207 miles per hour. 1997 Ferrari F355 GTS. Gordon Ramsay owns a Ferrari F355 GTS, considered one of the company's most iconic sports cars. Gordon Ramsay's F355 GTS is finished in a classic shade of red, which is a popular color for Ferrari sports cars. The car also features a tan leather interior, which complements the exterior color and provides a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. Gordon Ramsay's ownership of the car is a testament to his passion for high-performance vehicles and his appreciation for the unique engineering and design of Ferrari sports cars. Back Mono. Gordon Ramsay owns a Back Mono, a rare and highly sought-after car, with only a limited number of units produced each year. Gordon Ramsay's Back Mono is a custom-built version of the car that features a unique black and white paint job with red accents, as well as custom wheels and exhaust. Ramsay has been known to take the car to various racetracks and events, including the Goodwood Festival of Speed, where he has demonstrated his impressive driving skills behind the wheel of the Back Mono. 2018 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. One of the stars in the celebrity chef's car collection is the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera Coupe. The car comes at a price of $316,300, and Gordon's car is finished in a unique metallic shade of silver. The DBS was a part of the cars that had a track day at the Brands Hatch circuit sometime in 2019. The Superleggera is a Grand Tourer that was the flagship model of the carmaker back in the day. The car has a top speed of 211 miles per hour and records a 0 to 62 time of 3.4 seconds. 2015 Land Rover Defender 110 SVX Spectre JB24. The Land Rover Defender 110 SVX JB24 was used in the James Bond movie Spectre. Gordon added this car to his collection for a sum of $337,448, and this was one of the 10 cars built for the movie. 3 got destroyed, whereas 7 survived. The base model used is an old Land Rover Defender 110 model. Back then, this was the most expensive modified Land Rover ever made. The off-road modifications for the SUV were made by the modification company Bowlers. 2016 McLaren 675 LT. The 2016 McLaren 675 LT was bought by Gordon for an MSRP of $349,500. The car is finished in gray exterior paint and comes with yellow paint stripes on the outside. No information is available about the car's interior. It is said that McLaren made only 500 models of the standard coupe version. The 675 LT was a lightweight track-focused model revealed in February 2015. It has a top speed of 205 miles per hour and sprints from 0 to 62 in 2.9 seconds. McLaren also introduced a convertible model sometime in December 2015 as a 2016 model year car. 2019 Ford GT. The 2019 Ford GT was revealed at a price of $453,500, without including any additional charges. The Ford GT mid-engine sports car is the only American origin supercar on this list. No information is available about the car's exterior color or interior details. The 2019 model is a part of the second generation of the GT introduced in 2015. The GT records a 0 to 60 time of 3.0 seconds and has a top speed of 216 miles per hour. 2016 Ferrari F12 DDF. The Ferrari F12 DDF is one of the most unique and rare Ferraris in the chef's collection. It is said that the track-focused version of the F12 Berlinetta car cost him $621,600. Gordon has been snapped in this Ferrari a couple of times. The car comes with the Bianco Italia exterior color option and also has black and gray stripes. The TDF in the name stands for Tour de France, and this car was available from 2015 to 2017 and was limited to 799 units worldwide. The car accelerated from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and has a top speed of over 211 miles per hour. 2019 McLaren Senna. The 2019 McLaren Senna is the second McLaren model in Gordon's collection. This car cost him $960,000 in its stock form. Recently, a Senna was auctioned for $1.45 million. The Senna is the third car to be a part of the McLaren Ultimate Series. The car is heavily based on the 720S model in terms of design. In the UK, the car fetched a price of £750,000. The Senna has a top speed of 211 miles per hour and sprints from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds. It has a power-to-weight ratio of 659 horsepower, and a total of 500 units of the car were made. 2014 Porsche 918 Spyder. The Porsche 918 Spyder was the first hypercar from the German carmaker to be a part of Gordon's car collection. It is said that the car owned by him is finished in blue exterior, and this car also enjoyed a track day one fine afternoon at the Brands Hatch circuit. The Porsche 918 Spyder had a base MSRP of $845,000. In Europe, the car was priced at €781,000. Porsche made a total of 918 units of the Spyder hybrid model. The 918 Spyder was a successor to the Porsche Carrera GT car. 2019 Ferrari SP2 Monza. The SP2 Monza is a part of the Icona series in the Ferrari lineup. This car cost approximately $1.8 million in its standard form, but Gordon's car comes close to the $2 million figure due to add-ons and other changes. The SP2 Monza is finished with a black exterior. Ramsay is among the few 499 buyers to own an SP1 or SP2 model. In the European region, the car was priced at €1.58 million. The SP2 is based on the 812 series, and the car is made from a carbon fiber composite. The SP2 is a two-seater model, and it weighs 3,351 lbs. Ferrari says that the SP2 can sprint from 0 to 62 in 2.9 seconds and can record a top speed of over 187 miles per hour. 2015 Ferrari LaFerrari. The Ferrari LaFerrari is one of the most famous Ferrari models, and most of the top car enthusiast celebrities have one of these. Gordon's car is a 2015 model that came with a sticker price of $1.4 million. Now, it is estimated to be valued at around $3.3 million. This hybrid model was restricted to 500 units in its coupe form. The LaFerrari's code name was Project F150. In the European region, the LaFerrari cost more than €1 million. The LaFerrari word means the Ferrari in Italian. 2016 Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta. At number 1 of this list of the most valuable cars in Gordon James' collection is the 2016 Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta, the convertible version of the LaFerrari coupe. Each Aperta model is limited to 210 units and costs a whopping $2.2 million. Now, each LaFerrari Aperta has an estimated value of $5 million. Gordon's car is finished in a metallic white exterior color and gets black rims. The number plate on the car reads F150GR. The chef was seen cruising around the streets of London in his LaFerrari Aperta. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.